Okay, now interlock your wrist. 1, twist your hip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then reverse, same reverse. Okay, bend forward, lengthen your spinal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ఇట్లా belly fat తగ్గుతుంది, side fat తగ్గుతుంది. Now both legs together. Just tap your legs. Now take a deep inhale, then exhale, Pada Hastasana, raise your both hands slowly, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, down, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to advanced plank position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, little up, 9, 10, little down, 10, 11, sir, కొంచెం down, 12, Baba little down, 13, 14, 15, little up, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, little down, sir, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax everyone. Now we are going to bridge pose, Setu Bandhasan. Bridge pose lo legs itla open chesi cheyakandi, itla cheyakandi. Keep your legs straight. Then slowly lift your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your legs 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now catch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now Halasana to Pada Hastasana variations. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we are going to Vakrasana. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. No tape settle na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then do butterfly.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.